Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix your system requires to restart to play Valorant and nothing helps. Play button is great. So I will show you how you can fix that. First of all, you need to completely close a task manager. Riot client, go to task manager, processes, look for Riot, and then just completely close Riot client. Then what you need to do here, you just need to search, go to installed apps, look for Vanguard, right? And then you just need to press 3 dots and uninstall Vanguard, right? After Vanguard is installed, go and look for Riot Client, open up Riot Client, and then you need to update Valorant. It will take a couple of seconds to update it, but then you should be able to play the game. So, as you can see here, install Valorant or Vanguard, and then wait until it's done. If still you're getting the error here, what you need to do here is to open up Task Manager, look for Riot Client, right-click on it, set priority, and then go to Details. It's always changing here, and then you should see Expand option, and then go to Details and look for Riot Client Services. Right-click on it, set priority to High. Change priority, and then what you need to do here, also go to startup apps, make sure VG tray is enabled when your computer enables. Then what you need to do here, you just need to go to services and then click on one of the tasks here, press VGC, right click on it, properties, make sure startup type is automatic, make sure service status is running, and then wait again. Then relaunch the Riot client and hit play, and the game should work. And let me show you. So the game is loading up. I play on stretched, so my display should be distorted, but nevertheless, as you can see here, the game is working. So yeah, that's basically it.